Director of the Buckingham Centre for Astrobiology at the University of Buckingham, Professor Chandra says that the results obtained after testing the meteoroid fragments found in Polonnaruwa is evidence that there is life outside of planet Earth. The professor made this comment at a press briefing held in Galle on the progress made on the tests on the meteoroid fragments. Samples of the meteoroid fragments were sent to Professor Chandra at the Cardiff University. Subsequent to tests conducted through an electron microscope at a laboratory at the Cardiff University, Professor Chandra and a group of scientists arrived in the country later on to conduct further tests.
To take a very close look at the site in Polonnaruwa where there was a meteorite fall on the 29th of December. And within those stones we found the most amazing structures which are called diatoms. So they were living forms of life, primitive forms of life that appear to be deeply ingrained in this meteorite. And so it was very important for us to do further examination, cross-examine witnesses, see the site for ourselves, and plan future experiments that would prove beyond a shadow of doubt that living particles, living cells have been raining down on our planet. And the evidence that we have from the Polonnaruwa meteorite is really quite stunning. There's, in our view, in the view of the three of us, there's no doubt that this is evidence of life existing outside the Earth.
NASA Marshall Space Flight Center astrobiologist Professor Richard V. Hoover, speaking at the media briefing, said that the meteoroid fragments found in the farmland in Arlaganvilla are quite different from the meteoroid fragment he had tested before.
There will be meteoriticists that will have problems because these stones that are in the paddy fields do not look like any of these carbonaceous meteorites that have been studied. However, they do contain carbon, and they do have many of the minerals that are present in the carbonaceous meteorites, but their density is lower than 1, and these stones will float on water. Well, on Earth, there is a great deal known about the rocks of Earth, and pumice is a volcanic rock that is capable of floating on water, but you have no volcanoes near this area, and of course also pumice, which we have studied, does not contain diatoms or fossil cyanobacteria. But more work has to be done in order to understand the nature and characteristics of the Polonnaruwa stones.